Hello, welcome to WindowsComputerGeeks.com. I have a couple of requests of how to show hidden and system files, and so that's what we're going to do today. Windows by default on the install hides certain files, but so the average user can't delete or make a mistake and delete a Windows system file, and next time you boot up, your system probably won't come back up. So there's a couple of options, so I'll show you which ones and you can decide which ones to use. Just keep in mind that be careful about these files, because if you delete some of them, it could turn into a bad situation for you. Anyway, so what we're going to want to do first is we're going to want to go to Windows Explorer. So you need to open that. You need to do that by hitting the Windows and the E key at the same time, and then bring it up. Or you can go to Start, All Programs, Accessories, and here's Windows Explorer right here. So either way, you can get into that window, open that up. So we want to do that. Also, to delete your Windows Internet Explorer browser files, you can go into Internet Explorer and go to Tools, Internet Options, Delete, and it gives you an option of things to delete: temporary files, cookies, history, forms, data, passwords. You can check them all and hit delete, and then delete everything. But I'm going to show you the manual way to do it so you can make sure that it's deleted. Also, I have a video of this for XP out there, if you have XP. This is good for Vista and Windows 7. I'm pretty sure Vista is the same way. Anyway, so we want to go back to the Windows Explorer window, and up at the top here you have the left hand corner, you have the Organize button. You want to click this little down arrow on the Organize button, go down to Folder and Search Options, open that. It's going to give you this general screen here. There's a couple settings on here you can play with, but this one right here, you can change how your folders open. You can open each folder in a different window. So in other words, if you go into Windows Explorer and you click on a folder, instead of it opening the same window, it'll pop up a new one. Or you can use this single click instead of double click. That's what I like. I like single click. So whenever I'm on the internet or open an email or whatever, I can just single click instead of double click. But most of them, I think the default is just double click down here, but I like the single click. What we're looking for is the View tab. The View tab here has a lot of different options. This is how your folder appearance is set. The default, I've already changed mine, so it's not going to look like the default, but what you're looking for is hidden files and folders. Now the default is going to be this: don't show folders, files, or drives. That hides all important types of folders and drives. You want to uncheck that and click the Show Hidden Files, Folders, and Drives. This is probably going to display your temporary internet files once you do that. If not, you can go further. I believe this one here, Hide Extension for Known File Types, is checked by default. And what that does is, like when you open Windows Explorer and you have like a Word document, say document.doc, or you have an executable file with a .exe on it, it hides that extension, the .exe or the .doc. So I like to know what type of file they are. You can look at the file name, but it's nice to have the extension out by the side so you know actually what the file is. So to me, that's just no-brainer with having the extension shown. So I uncheck that. The next one is kind of probably optional for what you want to do. As you can see, Microsoft recommends this one be checked. This hide protected operating system files. What this does is it hides all your system files in the Windows folder and in the program files folder, so you can't delete them or move them or accidentally mess it up. So this one, it's up to you if you want to uncheck it or not. You uncheck it, it's going to give you a message saying this is not a good idea, and I'm just going to say yes, unhide. So that's going to unhide all that stuff. So you hit apply, OK, And that's going to do it. That's going to unhide everything so you can get to where you want to go. Next, you're going to stay in Windows Explorer. You want to go to My Computer, Local C Drive, Users, and under the Users folder, you want to select the profile you're logged in under. In other words, if you're logged in under Steve or whatever, you want to select that profile. This is the profile I'm logged in under. So I'm going to expand that folder. This top folder, the first one, is App Data. I'm going to expand that. Then I'm going to go to the Local folder. Then I'm going to go to Microsoft. Then I'm going to go to Windows. And under Windows, you can see Temporary Internet Files. Click that, and you see everything on the right over here. This is all your temporary internet files. It's got all the pictures, the addresses, and everything of where the browser's been. It's a lot of stuff. Anyway, so you got your mouse over here on the right pane. You go up to Edit, select All, right click, hit Delete. I'm not going to delete mine, but it's going to delete everything in that folder. And it may take a while because that's a lot of data, and so you may have to let it sit for a little bit, let it delete all that. And then after that, it should be empty. You can close it, and then you can go to your desktop, and you can check your recycle bin for any data. And it's usually too much data to put in the recycle bin, so it just outright deletes it. But by chance that there's not enough data to where it just has to delete it all, it will stick in the recycle bin. So you want to come over and empty recycle bin. You hit File, Empty, and empty it. And that'll do it. That'll get rid of your temporary internet files. And anyway, if you have any questions or any other requests, please let me know, and I will post this video online also on my website, windowscomputergeeks.com, and let me know if you have any others that you need. Thank you, and we'll see you next time around.